Here she comes.
Ready to go.
All right. Here we go.
Here we go. Going on another adventure.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess I can take my sunglasses.
You gonna take your glasses off, or you gonna go all rock star on us there?
We're in Big Shreveport, Louisiana. Regional airport.
Thank goodness somebody didn't want to leave till about 10:30 or so like that.
That is not true.
Yeah.
You're embellishing.
Not true.
We talked about that.
Not true. We talked about it. Just because we talked about it doesn't mean it's true.
It's true.
No.
I mean, you missed the airport exit by about 5 miles.
Well, that cost about 2 minutes, maybe 5 minutes worth of time.
You had one job. I was like,
Are we here safely, or
we should have left at 7 if I'd known you didn't know where the airport was. Did I miss the airport?
Would you do that impersonation again?
Did I miss the airport already? I'm like, I don't know.
All right, we got to get through TSA, so I'll talk to you later. Bye. Gold star.
Oh, I should have got her autograph. My kids would be like, Mom, who's Robert Ryan?
Yeah. Most people on this is going to say who's Robert Ryan.
Does anybody on this board know Robert Ryan? I mean, she's like one of my favorite actresses. She really is one of my favorite actresses.
We're thrilled.
Okay.
So you got this figured out? What are you doing?
Good. This thing makes me a little dizzy.
What is it that makes you dizzy?
I can't. This moving walkway thing. I mean, why not just walk?
Well, because this gets you there quicker.
Oh. Is that a proven?
A moving walkway, you don't know whether this is a good thing or not.
I don't know. I think it's just an accident looking for a place to happen.
All right. Oops.
Whoa. See? Wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, I know. So, I'm glad I didn't capture you falling on.
I didn't
video.
fall.
Okay, well, and that's what I said.
stumbled.
I'm glad.
Stumbled a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, so we're in Salt Lake City, right?
Yeah.
But we don't know how we're going to get to Park City yet, right?
Not yet.
Okay.
We don't know. It's 38.
We don't even know where the baggage claim is, do we?
38 miles, and if we take an Uber, and see, I got an email from the conference saying we need your arrival time so we can arrange for your shuttle. Well, I told you about that, and you were like, "Oh, we'll just figure it out when we get there."
Well, we're all right. Well,
so we didn't know that it was going to cost us $300 to get to Park City, where the conference is. Anyway,
Sounds like a well-planned trip so far.
So far, so good.
All right.